Muscle pain slowing you down? Whether it's from a workout, poor posture, or stress, here are 7 simple health tips to reduce muscle pain and speed up recovery. Tip 1. Apply heat or cold. Use a cold pack for recent pain or swelling. For lingering stiffness, apply a warm compress or take a warm shower. Stay hydrated. Dehydration worsens soreness. Drink plenty of water, especially after physical activity. Gentle stretching. Don't force it. Just light, slow stretches. This improves blood flow and eases tightness. Magnesium-rich foods or Epsom salt soak. Add spinach, nuts, or bananas to your diet. Or try a 15-minute soak in an Epsom salt bath. Rest and sleep. Give your muscles time to repair. 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep makes a big difference. Massage or foam rolling. Massage helps release tension. A foam roller is perfect for the back, legs, and shoulders. Anti-inflammatory foods. Eat more turmeric, ginger, berries, and leafy greens. They fight inflammation naturally. Muscle pain doesn't have to control your day. Follow these tips consistently and feel their difference. Comment below with what works best for you. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple health tips.